Having trouble changing your Bongo Cat's skin, the issue usually stems from software bugs, configuration errors, or compatibility problems. As of February 2026, this issue is largely resolved in the latest official versions, version 2.5.1. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your Bongo Cat looking its best. The first and most crucial step is to ensure you're running the latest version of Bongo Cat. Older versions are more prone to skin-changing bugs. Visit the official Bongo Cat website or GitHub repository to download the newest release. Version 2.4.0, June 2025, introduced real-time skin validation that solved 70% of user-reported issues. Updating resolves most problems immediately. Cached files can sometimes interfere with skin loading in Bongo Cat. To resolve this, clear the application's cache. Next, verify that the file paths for your skin assets are correct. Incorrect paths prevent the software from locating and applying new skins. Ensure skin files are placed in the proper skins directory. Corrupted image files, such as PNGs or JSON configuration files, can cause skin-changing failures. If you downloaded the skin from a third-party source, it might be incomplete or damaged. Try using skins from official sources or reputable creators. Consider re-downloading the skin files to ensure they are intact. Bongo Cat relies on certain frameworks, like Node.js for web versions or OpenGL for desktop apps. Ensure these dependencies are correctly installed and compatible with your operating system. Conflicts with overlays, antivirus software, or GPU drivers can also block dynamic skin loading. Try temporarily disabling overlays or updating your graphics drivers. If you're using a custom-made skin, verify that the JSON syntax is correct. Even a small error in the JSON file can prevent the skin from loading. Here's an example of a JSON skin file with a syntax error. Notice the missing comma after the color value, which can cause the skin to fail loading. To fix it, add the missing comma. Proper JSON syntax requires commas between all key value pairs except the last one. Use the official skin editor, released in 2024, to validate your changes in real time. This tool checks for syntax errors and highlights them immediately. If there's an error, the editor will highlight it clearly, showing exactly where the problem is and how to fix it. Remember these key tips. Ensure all brackets and arrays are properly matched. Place commas between all items except the last. Check for quotation marks. And always use the skin editor for instant validation. High CPU or GPU usage during Bongo Cat animations can cause delays in skin transitions. When your computer's processing power is heavily taxed, the software struggles to update the visual elements smoothly. To optimize performance, start by lowering the resolution in Bongo Cat's settings. Higher resolutions require more processing power, so reducing this can free up resources for faster skin changes. Another way to improve performance is reducing the animation complexity in the settings. Simpler animations use fewer resources, allowing skin transitions to happen more quickly and smoothly. Finally, close unnecessary programs running in the background. These applications consume system resources that Bongo Cat could use for smoother skin transitions. Freeing up your computer's memory and processing power makes a significant difference. By optimizing performance through these steps, you'll ensure that Bongo Cat can handle skin changes more efficiently, resulting in smoother and more responsive animations. If the problem persists after trying the basic fixes, dive into Bongo Cat's console logs by pressing F12 in browser versions to identify specific errors. Visit the official Bongo Cat Discord server for community support. The Discord community, with over 50,000 members, is a valuable resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions to less common issues. Remember to check GitHub for any open issues or recent fixes related to skin-changing problems.